Number 2 Tango Delta, contact with departure.
Tower 2 Tango Delta, I'm declaring emergency. We've got a control problem. I need to be vectored back around for landing.
Number 2 Tango Delta, roger. Fly, turn left, join the left downwind for runway 9.
Left downwind, runway 9, crypto. 802 Tango Delta.
Maintain 2000, maintain 2000.
Maintain 2000, crypto, or Tango, 8 Tango Delta.
Number 2 Tango Delta, do you have the airport in sight?
Banking. 2 Tango Delta, I have the, got it.
Number 2 Tango Delta, Executive Tower, you on me? Number 2 Tango Delta, do you have the airport in sight? Number 2 Tango Delta, Executive Tower.
Tower, can I go over to FLL, please?
Semi. Number 2 Tango Delta, can you contact Miami on 119 or .7?
Tower, we're fighting the plane the best we can.
2 Tango Delta, Miami wants to talk to you, 119 or .7, they can help you out.
Executive Tower, good afternoon, it's Sovereign 999 Echo Foxtrot, we're at...
Tower, I'm coming in, we're trying to come in FLL.
Continue.
Tower, I'm trying to get into Lauderdale 10 left.
Roger. Number 2 Tango Delta, runway 10 left, you're clear to land. Number 2 Tango Delta, you saw me? Number 802 Tango Delta Tower.
Tower, I got him inside off the nose, it looks like he's on the downwind for 10.
Yeah, it looks like it.
You know if that airplane made it down okay?
We do not. And it appears he landed.